Hi everyone, I'm Allie, co-founder of Potomac Beads. And in this spotlight, I'm going to be doing a little review and a little introduction to our Pattern Subscription Club. Pattern Subscription Club is a club where you get 5 patterns with creativity sent right to your inbox that you receive 5 patterns each month. For $5, it comes out to be just $1 for each pattern. Now we have our great patterns for $5 each on the website, but this will be an additional thing that you can do to get those 5 patterns emailed without thinking it right to your inbox each month. Our patterns are awesome because not only do we supply all the beads that you would need, you probably have some beads to go along in your stash, and you can take these digital downloads and organize them however you want. Our digital downloads will look, if you print them out, like the printed patterns, like the grandfather clock that I have on here. The patterns themselves are going to be diagram patterns rather than hard to follow pictures that are really nice and legible and easy to follow. Most of the patterns you don't even need the words to go with them. You can just follow the patterns and the thread lines that are on the diagram provided for you. On the back of each of these patterns and on that second page of your download, you're going to notice that there's links to a YouTube video. The YouTube video is there to help you and guide you if you have any trouble with any of the patterns that you're doing. The patterns that you will receive in your inbox each month are that creative outlet to go ahead and explore and expand your beading atmosphere and environment. These will include rings and bracelets, earrings and necklaces, maybe even a couple special projects near the holidays. Keep in mind that if you are looking for materials, you don't have to go searching through tons and tons of different places, through tons and tons of shops. You can get all of your materials with us at Potomac Beads. We only make and have the patterns for things that we actually carry, so there's no more guessing where to get a random obscure product that's used in the pattern. Additionally, most patterns, in addition to having that printed design, all of them are going to have that YouTube video to go along with the patterns and the designs. So if you want inspiration, you want to see and have and feel lots of different trending videos right in your hand and take that guessing work out of what you're going to work on next, you can subscribe to our Pattern Subscription Club. We'd love to have you included, and we'd love you to be part of this awesome opportunity to again get these downloads for just $1 a piece to your inbox each month. You can commit to 1 month, you can take over 1 month, you can kind of go as much as you want to join in that pattern subscription. Again, each month you'll get a new design, so you'll never have a repeat in patterns during any of your subscription club membership. In addition to that, all of our patterns are very, very wearable, that you'll be able to create, usually in one day, and create them to wear them with pride and have that nice artistic piece on you. If you want to, check out the link below me in the description to become a member of our Pattern Subscription Club. Remember, you can check us out at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu, and we're happy to help you out there. If you do need any materials, check out those websites as well. We'd love to get them to you. Also, check out the rest of our YouTube videos for more beading, more inspiration, and more ideas. As always, thank you so much for watching, and happy beading, everyone.